What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. I'm at the VGT again, and today I will show you the Cheatgainer. A Cheatgainer is a backflip that you do to your side and where you take off with only one leg. And this is what I will show you now. The first thing you need to know when you want to learn a Cheatgainer is which leg is on the ground when you're taking off and which leg swings up in the air. And to figure this out, you need to know in which side you're twisting when you're doing flips. If you twist to your left side, your left leg is on the ground and you swing your right leg up. If you twist to your right side, your right leg is on the ground and you swing your left leg up. Okay, again, twist left side, left leg ground, right leg up, twist right side, right leg ground, left leg up. And the Cheatgainer is a little bit different than a backflip or any other flip that we have covered in previous tutorials, because you don't do the Cheatgainer from a standing position. There are a ton of setups for the Cheatgainer, but the most common one is the so-called chase step. By the way, I will show you everything with my left leg on the ground, and I will swing my right leg up because that's my normal Cheatgainer side, and I can just show it to you way better if I'm doing it on my right side. Okay. The chase step goes like this. You put your left leg forward first, then you make a wide step to your side with your right leg, and then you plant your left leg forward again, and your left leg should show a little bit to the back, so to the point from where you're coming from. So it shouldn't show to the side, it should be a little bit more inverted. It shouldn't go over here straight, it should go here. And this allows us that we can open our hips and that we can do a proper Cheatgainer. So this is like one of the most important things for the Cheatgainer, the chase step, because the chase step will give you so much power if you do it correctly. And you can only do it correctly if you plant your left leg really far forward and if you twist it like this. Because in the end, you do the chase step pretty fast, and if you run, you have a lot of forward momentum, and you kind of have to transfer this forward momentum into an upward momentum for a good Cheatgainer. Therefore, you should plant your left leg super far forward, because this is the only way that you can transfer all this forward momentum that we get when you run up to an upward momentum and have a good Cheatgainer. Okay, let's repeat the chase step. So, left, right, to the side, left again, forward and twist that. And right before you take off for the Cheatgainer, you want to look in the same direction as your left foot shows. So you don't want to look to your side, you want to twist your head a little bit more and watch like in this direction here. There are a couple of pre-exercises that I will show you now, which will make the Cheatgainer easier for you and which will take away basically every fear that you might have now. Because the Cheatgainer is super simple once you figured it out correctly, but it's a pretty scary trick. Especially like I definitely had my problems kind of like doing the chase step and then just throwing myself over my head. But now I will show you how you can learn it easily. Okay, so exercise number 1 is going to be a chase step. You can still do the chase step slow, and then we're going to do a cartwheel to the side. I will just show it to you one time. Left, right, left, twisted, and we already look in the direction in that our left foot points. And now you want to swing your right leg up and do a cartwheel. Okay? Just like this. Our next exercise will be that we do the chase step fast again, but now we don't go into a cartwheel. We kick our right leg up and kind of make like a full twist and try to land on our right leg again, just like this. What you'll notice here, the harder you swing your right leg, the easier the exercise will be. And let's talk about the arms now. So obviously you should include your arms into the Cheatgainer, and the arms basically move as your right leg. So when you're doing the last step of your chase step and plant your left leg forward, your arms are kind of like open and a little bit behind your body. And when you kick your right leg up, you pull your arms up with speed and power. And this will just give you some more flip and height and make the Cheatgainer easier. Okay, our next exercise is going to be the kind of like 360 kick again, but this time we try to drop our left shoulder a little bit and make sure to use your arms. As you just saw, this already was a kind of a Cheatgainer. It's still not fully inverted yet. And what I want you to do now is another cartwheel, where you jump even more into the cartwheel. And if you feel comfortable now, you can already send a Cheatgainer. And if you want to send a Cheatgainer, just drop your left shoulder more, and in general you want to push your hip up alongside with your right leg and with your arms, because this will give you the smooth looking Cheatgainer aesthetic. And now I have some tips for you that will help you with your Cheatgainer. The first step is that you should master your chase step. Like, the chase step is the fundament of a good Cheatgainer. When you practice your chase step, think about every single step and especially focus on the last step, because the last step gives you the most power. The second tip is that you should work on the timing of your kicking leg, your hip movement, your upper body movement, and your arm movement, and just play around with like throwing your arms up earlier, dropping your upper body earlier or later, and like kicking your leg a little bit later, or just play around with those things. And you will see, like, once you have them all aligned, it will make a difference in your Cheatgainer, like a huge difference. And My last tip is that if you think you kick enough with your right leg, you don't. Trust me, you don't, I don't, no one does. So kick your right leg harder, because this will give you more speed, more height, will make it look more aesthetic, it will just make your Cheatgainer so much better if you actually kick your right leg. But don't only kick it at the start, you want to kick your right leg until you land on it. Alright, this is it with the Cheatgainer tutorial, and I hope that you can learn a Cheatgainer with this tutorial. If you got any questions, just ask them down in the comments, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace out. Bye.